Social media is currently flooded with claims that a hidden accessibility shortcut can dismantle an iPhone's activation lock in seconds. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. You might have seen these videos promising a quick fix for locked devices, but you need to know if they actually work. We will examine the security protocols behind your device and explain why these viral bypass methods fail under scrutiny. You will learn how Apple protects your data and what steps you can take if you ever find yourself locked out of your hardware. We are stripping away the misinformation to show you the reality of iPhone activation lock security. Stay tuned as we run these tests to see if any of these accessibility tricks hold up against real security measures. Quick legal note before we continue. These tests are for educational purposes only. Attempting to bypass security protocols on hardware you do not own may violate terms of service or local laws. Always verify ownership through official support channels instead.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unloxy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unloxy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unloxy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
Videos claiming that accessibility menus provide a secret backdoor to your device often gain millions of views because they prey on the frustration of being locked out of your own hardware. You witness rapid screen taps and unconventional button sequences that supposedly force a system reset. Yet these clips rarely show the full process from start to finish. This misleading content relies on edited footage to create the illusion of a successful bypass. The reality involves a complex chain of security protocols built directly into the silicon of your device. When you enable activation lock, your device links its unique hardware identifier to your personal account on secure servers. This connection remains active at a low level, even when the operating system is not fully loaded. These viral claims suggest that activating VoiceOver or adjusting display settings can trick the firmware into ignoring this link. But your device performs a cryptographic handshake with the server every time it attempts to initialize. Neither accessibility features nor software glitches can circumvent this hardware-level verification. The popularity of these videos stems from the desire for a simple solution to a difficult problem. You might feel tempted to try these methods when you forget your credentials, but you should understand that these tricks are designed to generate engagement rather than provide functional results. These videos often cut away right before the final verification step to hide the fact that the device remains locked. You are watching a carefully staged performance rather than a genuine security exploit. By understanding that the lock is tied to the internal hardware security module, you can avoid wasting time on ineffective troubleshooting steps. Your device is designed to prioritize data protection above all else, which keeps your personal information safe whether or not your hardware is lost or stolen. Relying on verified recovery methods ensures you maintain control over your digital identity without exposing your system to potentially harmful or useless software workarounds. Focus on the official recovery pathways instead of chasing these digital myths. You have seen that viral claims regarding accessibility menus as a backdoor for iPhone activation lock are entirely misleading. These videos rely on clever editing to bypass the reality of cryptographic handshakes that protect your hardware identifiers. Relying on these tricks will only result in disappointment, because they cannot override the secure connection between your device and official servers. Thank you for watching this investigation into mobile security myths.
If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe and enable notifications to be informed on future updates and guides.